Prime Minister DEVINE scheme ki makha da lakadar ba sahi khara sita sahi singi district hospital manga super speciality hospital ki thak sangol lagani haina Health Services Director Dr. N Hemant Kumar na phone dokhrei wafama se blood donation and blood transfusion services in Manipur have hiramda state blood cell NSM Manipur amadi Federation of Indian Blood Donors Organization Manipur state chapter na kusam nadana classic grande da pangthok ba nomi ebo conference phone dokhibani taramada director asina makha taraduna scheme asigi makha da sandel khul tamelong senapati amdi Jiribam district singi hospital singa se hengot kadabani hospital singa se mapung phaba modular operation theater lehan bagi mathakta full fledged blood bank sing thamgani haiki state asigi oina hojik phaba James Jenims Thawal district hospital susambo amadi Tamil district hospital da blood bank thambangamli haiba wafam director asin thamladuna mapung phaba blood bank leitna healthcare system da kumang sausin mangam loi masida yumpham oraga nongna singa kadar district hospital singa sida mapung phaba blood banks thamnana ba khongthang lobani haiki madamam da voluntary blood donors gi masing name na leram lapsunga city nomo gi donor masing hengalakli loina na donor masing wana laina bopuna hona mina si haina sumiyam da director asina fauzel lakli taramada da sis hospital gi managing director Dr. K.S. Palin Babina hospital gi chairman Dr. T.S. Davli Pipdogi national president Bishwarab Biswas Sarwyaki.
The blood bank existing, including the James Jenims Sisa Hospital, Babina, Tamelong, Thawal district and Chuchapo. That is a good news that I used to share this fact that in few years time under the PM DEVINE scheme, funding scheme, the 5 super speciality hospitals are coming up at the district hospitals. So our idea is we will try to grow up. Until now, there is no any replacement for the blood, and blood saves life, and blood will come only.